So today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to download and use a font. So on whatever website you're downloading from, click the download button for the font you want. And then you should see, depending on which browser you're using, the little download box at the bottom. Click on the arrow and click show in folder. And then you'll see the font name. And when you open that folder, you'll be able to see all the different font styles. So you're going to double click on the font style and then click install. And you'll want to do that for each of the different variations for that font. Then pull up the program that you're using for the font, and you'll go under the fonts menu and find the font. So in this case, the Lato font. And then select that, and you can go under the font style menu. So this is Illustrator, and change it to the different fonts. Or if you're in Microsoft, it might show under the same menu, like it will say Lato Hairline, Lato Light. Thanks for tuning in.